Friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel and also my today's session. Friends, when I would stay up all night and day with scared and afraid about money, love and life, I had no rules to live. Realize I expected too much. I was dishonest with others and myself. So I have to change myself by value add to our life or their life. Yes friends, you are right. My today's topic is about how we add value to our life. Thankfully there are many ways that we can add value to our life. Number one is create something which someone can use. Invention is one of the very important part of mankind. So keep inventing new ideas. And number two is inspire someone to take action. We have seen there is many psychological persons available in our society who always inspire people, motivate people. And second one is who always take motivation and take inspiration to do better and good job or student or professional life. So we need to inspire each and every person or peoples to motivate their respective sector, whatever sector it has, small or big, no matter. Always share gratitude to them. And the next one is lend a helping hand, because helping hand to lend a people is always a good gesture, and always the opposite people understand that you want to add value her or him life. So I always suggest each and everyone that please lend a helping hand to everyone. The next one is be a shoulder to cry on, and we have to give our shoulder to share our success and failure. Next one is give your full attention. For students and professionals need to give full attention to their class or their job. This is very important to our learning part. To learn good things is always comes with the attention. Show someone a better way. We see in the outside that some people always guide someone negative way. It's affect to the people. Always remember that your misguide always counted. You never know when you get misguided by someone also. So to add value to others' life or someone, we have to guide each and everyone to attach with us with a proper way, with a better way. And next one is very important, which is lead by example. In our life, we practically seen that sometimes many people pushing each and everyone. The reason of pushing is that they do not want to start the work first. They do not want to lead. But friends, as a sales professional, I always wanted to do any job as a leader, because as a leader, when you do something, the enjoy, the entrepreneurship that you enjoy, which you will cherish to your lifetime. So I always say to each and every person who contacted with me that please lead by example. To example, you need to set always positive things to people's mind, feed people's mind. And next one is listen more. We have seen in the marketplace that many people do not have a ear, so they talk more. Sometimes you say something, but they do not listen to you. The reason behind it that they have no listening power. So to grow up your knowledge, listening is one of the very important key point in each and every motivational sector. So here also, to add value someone or some people's life, we need to listen very carefully and listen more practically. And next one is just be there for, because if you not there, so something missing, I think. So every time is important for us. So do your job, do your class, concentrate and be there always. Friends, for any incidents there is two reasons, good reason and real reason. Just an example that if I want to go a library to read a book, this is always a good reason. And in library there is a librarian who hand over me a books. This is a real reason. Some of the psychologists give some very important rules that how we add value to our life or others people's life. Within that, number one is the 525 rules. Friends, in this rule I always suggest that please list top 25 things priority that you must want to accomplish to your life. Now within this 25, you separate 5, which is your top 5 priorities or top 5 work in your life. So those top 5 you gives most cherishable and trusted moment, but the rest 20 will always gives you more moment which can value add to others or your life. So work on those last 20 part and move it to top 5. So this is the 525 rule. And the next one is always remember that happiness equal to reality versus expectations. So if you have 50 kg weight, so you have reduce, if you want to reduce or enhance, so you can do it slowly, but you can change your expectation in a second. So that's why always happiness equal to reality versus by expectations. The next rule is 1% rule. Psychologists say if you compounds 1% in a day, yearly you will be 37% better, and if losses 1% per day, so yearly you lost only 0.01%. So this is very important. Just an example, in cricket, if you want to get better 37 times, so please add value only 1% per day. So at the end of the year you will be get better more than 37 times. But if you lost 1%, after 1 year you will lost only 0.01%. So to add value, just 1% per day is enough for our life. So start today. One of the very important rules are plus, minus and equal. In plus, you have to take a real or virtual mentor who can teach you. In equal, you have to understand that people who can challenge you. And in minus, the peoples you can teach, because teaching is always solidifies your learnings. The next rule is the 64/4 rules. If 20% of the effort creates 80% of the value, think of a job, 20% of the employee do 80% of the company job or work. So now 20% of the 20% of the effort makes 80% of the 80% value. So 4% of the value addition creates 60% of the benefits in your life. So find that 44%, be okay with the 60% of work, and rest 96% do regular to enhance one by one to reach to add value to people's life. At last, I want to say that nobody want to care that if you are in the party, because if you don't offer something unique, something benefited to the people's life, so nobody cares you. So that's why every time you have to value your life or others' life. So those tips hope add value to your life and also help you to create value to your respective organization, to your life and others' life. So thank you very much once again watching my channel. Hope you will continue to watching my channel, and also please subscribe. After subscribe, please press the bell button. By pressing the bell button, you will notify when my all new video coming into my channel.